Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out the Clutch 29-gallon air compressor with a 2.5 horsepower motor and a maximum pressure of 175 psi. If you're building a home workshop or garage setup, this compressor is designed to power many common air tools. First, let's talk about performance. This compressor runs on a 2.5 HP electric motor using a standard 120-volt outlet, so you don't need special wiring to use it. It delivers around 5.1 CFM at 90 psi, which means it can easily run tools like nail guns, tire inflators, air ratchets, and small spray guns. Now let's look at the tank size. The compressor comes with a 29-gallon vertical tank, which stores a good amount of compressed air. This allows your tools to run longer before the motor needs to refill the tank. The vertical design also saves floor space, making it great for smaller garages. One of the standout features is the maximum pressure of 175 psi. Compared with many compressors that only reach 150 psi, this higher pressure allows more usable air in the tank and longer operation time between refill cycles. Another great feature is the oil-free pump design. This means there's very little maintenance required. You won't need to change oil, making it perfect for DIY users who want a reliable compressor without extra work. When it comes to build and mobility, the compressor has large wheels and a handle, so it's easier to move around your workshop. However, it weighs over 110 pounds, so it's mainly meant for garage use rather than frequent transport. Alright, quick pause here. If you are looking for a compressor for garage work, woodworking, tire inflation, or small painting jobs, this size compressor is actually one of the most practical options. Overall, the Clutch 29-gallon air compressor offers a great balance of power,